maths uses and methods in arithmetics. Veda means knowledge. Age of Vedic texts from 300 BC contains on the medicine, metaphysics, grammar, astronomy, etc. And Vedic mathematics is the name given to a supposedly ancient system of the calculation which was rediscovered from the Vedas between the 1911 and 1918 by Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. According to the Tirthaji, all of the Vedic mathematics is based on 16 sutras. What is a Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematics consisting of a list of 16 basic sutras. They were presented by a Hindu scholar and the mathematician Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaja during the early part of the 20th century. The calculation strategies provided by a Vedic mathematics are said to be creative and useful and can be applied in a number of the ways to calculation methods in the arithmetic and algebra. Most notably within the education system, some of its methods share similarities with the Trachtenberg system. Why Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is for memory power, speed, accuracy, maths, focus, mental calculation, creative thinking, cognitive strength, self-confidence, concentration. Base of Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics now refers to a set of the 16 mathematical formulae or sutras and their corollaries derived from the Vedas. It helps a person to solve the problem in the 10 to 15 times faster. It reduces the burden. Need to learn only 9 tables. It provides a one-line answer. It is a magical tool to reduce scratch work and finger counting. It increases the concentration. Time saved can be used to answer the more questions. Improves the concentration. Logical thinking process gets enhanced. 8 mathematics tricks to calculate 10x faster. Squaring of number whose unit digit is 5. Multiply a number by 5. Subtraction from 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Multiplication of any 2-digit numbers. Dividing a large number by 5. Multiply any 2-digit number by 11. Multiplication of any 3-digit numbers. Find the square value. Base of Vedic mathematics 16 sutras. Ekadikena purvena, meaning by one more than the previous one. Nikhilam navasta kara dasta, means all from 9, last from 10. Urdhva tirabhyam, means vertically and crosswise. Paravartiya yojit, means transpose and unjust. Sunyamat samuchchave, means when the sum is the same, that is sum is 0. Anurupe, sunyamat, means if one is in ratio, the other is 0. Sankarana vyavakalanabhyam, means by addition and by subtraction. Punarapuranabhyam, means by completion or non-completion. Chalana kalanabhyam, means differences and similarities. Yavadunam, means whatever the extent of the difference. Vyavasthimasti, means part and whole. Sheshanyakena charamena, means the remainders by the last digit. Sopantya dvayamantyam, means the ultimate and the twice penultimate. Ekanyunena purvena, means by one less than the previous one. Ganita samucchay, means the product of the sum is equal to the sum of the product. Gunaka samucchay, the factors of the sum is equal to sum of the factors. Ekadikena purvena, squaring of numbers ending in 5. Convention method and Vedic method. So these are the examples. Multiply the previous digit 6 by the one more than itself 7 and then write it 25. Nikhilam. This formula can be very effectively applied in the multiplication of numbers which are nearer to the bases like 10, 100, 1000, that is to power of the 10, example 96 into 98 or 102 into 104. When the both numbers are lower than the base. See this example. When both numbers are higher than the base, so let's see one example, right? 3 into 5. How much? 3 into 5? 15. So 1 carry and 8, 5 right in the box. And next 0 into 5, 0 into 3. That means 0 into 3 is 0, 0 into 5 is 0. Carry 1 is added to this and 1. And next 0 into 0, 1 into 5, 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is 3 and 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 3 plus 1 into 5 is equals to 5 plus 3, that is equals to 8. So here 8. And next 1 into 0, 0 into 1, that is equal to 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So here is the answer. When one number is more than the other, less than the base. So again answer. Anurupyena. This sutra is highly useful to find the products of the two numbers when the both terms are nearer the common bases like the 50, 60, 200 multiplies of the powers of the 10. So this is the example. Urdhvatirabhyam. This is a general formula applicable to all cases of the multiplication and also the division of the large number by the another large number. Step 1. 5 into 2, that is equals to 10 and down 0 and carry 1. Step 2. 7 into 2 plus 5 into 3, that is equal to 15 plus 15. 14 plus 15, that is equal to 29. Add to it over previously carry 1 value and so we have 30. Now write down the 0 and carry 3. Step 3. 7 into 3 is equal to 21 and previously carry over value 3 to get 24. Write down. So we have 2400 as the answer. 2 digit. So this is the example. These are the examples. So this one. Yavdunam. This sutra means whatever the extent of this difference, lessen it still further to the very extent and also set up the square of the difference. This sutra is very handy in the calculating squares of the numbers nearer to the powers of the 10. So this is the example. Sankarana Vyavakalanabhyam. It can be applied in the solving a special type of the simulation equations where the x conflicts and the y conflicts and found the intercharged. This is the example. Example 2. This sutra is helpful in multiplying number whose last digit and up to the 10, the remaining digit of the number should be the indical. For example, this. AnaghaJyosyula Vedic method. The same rule works. The sum of the last 2, last 3, last 4 digits added to respectively equal to the 100,000 and 10,000. The simple point remembered is to multiply each product by the 10, 100,000 as a case of maybe. You can observe that this is the more convenient while working in the product of 3-digit numbers. So this is the example. Vyasimasti. Consider the case of the factorization of the quadratic equation of the type. So see, this is the homogeneous equation of the second degree in 3 variables. The subsutra removes the difficulty and makes the factorization simple. So this is the example. Ganita Samuchay. Let's see, ultimate z and putting z is equal to 0 and retain x and y, and the factors thus obtain the quadratic in x and y by means the Adhyamena Sutra. Similarly, ultimate y and retain the x and factorize the quadratic in the x and z. With these two sets of the factors, fill the gaps caused by the elimination process of the z and y respectively. This gives the actual factors of the expression. Thank you.